guys, what's up? Welcome to Super Style. This is Prachi and today we are going to talk about green tea. Now this is a video which I've been planning to do for the longest time. Somehow never got around to do it. But guys, green tea is so versatile and it has so many benefits, okay? For example, you can use green tea for simple hacks, just simple hacks which I'll share with you today. You can also do elaborate DIYs using green tea. You can also simply pick up products on the market which actually contain green tea. And green tea is full of benefits. I know you guys don't like long introductions, but I just want to tell you a few benefits of green tea before getting started. So green tea is very high in antioxidants, okay, and because of this it helps in controlling free radicals. This helps in giving you younger looking, clearer skin, better looking skin. It helps in dealing with clogged pores, acne problems. Guys, if you have acne problems, green tea is fantastic. It's also good for oil balancing. Green tea is full of benefits. So yes, what are the different ways to use green tea for awesome what did I just say? For awesome skin and hair? Well, just keep watching this video, guys, to find out. Now, you can simply use green tea for puffy eyes, okay, and for under eye bags. Just take 2 green tea bags like these, squeeze out all the excess water to avoid any mess, and refrigerate it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Then place it over your eyes and just relax, guys. This will instantly calm your eyes, your under eye bags tremendously because green tea has anti-inflammatory properties. This will refresh your eyes and also help in dealing with the puffiness very well. Now, if you apply green tea to the roots of your hair, it improves hair growth and it also helps in regrowing the lost hair. Very beneficial. How do you use green tea for your hair? Simply take some amla powder and to this mix green tea water. Make a paste, apply this all over your hair, especially make sure you touch the roots of your hair and leave it on for about 40 minutes and wash everything off. That's all you have to do. Now guys, this is something which you ideally should do twice a week because you know hair growth doesn't just happen in one day. It's something which takes time. So twice a week apply this hair pack and you will definitely see a difference. And guys, of course, if you don't have the time or the patience to do DIYs and hacks, because yes, they can get elaborate sometimes, simply start using products in your skincare routine which contain green tea. Now you don't even have to go out of your way, okay? I'll just tell you a very simple thing to do. I'm not saying use like 10,000 products for your skincare routine. No, a lot of people keep asking me, Prachi, how many products should we be using? Simple cleaning, toning, moisturizing is honestly more than enough for any skincare routine. But just instead of using a regular face wash, use a face wash which contains green tea. So you're not even going out of your way, you're just using a face wash which contains green tea. It's as simple as that. Now there are a lot of brands, you can use any brand that you want, guys, but I will say that use a brand which is gentle and good for your skin as always. And I really like Plum Goodness. They have a very good green tea range. I'll quickly take you through the products one by one. In case you want to know about them, you can just check them out. So for example, here is the Plum Green Tea Pore Cleansing Face Wash. It contains cellulose beads. It also contains glycolic acid apart from green tea, guys, which makes it a very good cleanser for deep pore cleansing, and it also hydrates the skin really well. Like while cleansing, you also feel hydrated, okay? And you can actually follow this up with this really cool toner again from the same range. And as you can see over here, it's a non-alcohol, it's an alcohol-free toner, guys, which makes it extremely gentle, very safe for the skin. Green tea, by the way, let me just pause here and tell you guys, green tea is a wonderful astringent, okay? It's a very good thing to use for toning your skin. And you can follow this up with the Plum Goodness Green Tea Renewed Clarity Night Gel, which again is from the same range. And as you can see, it's a very lightweight formula, guys. It absorbs very quickly into the skin. So apply a few dots on your face and just massage it in, and that's it. It's a pillow proof formula, so you can actually use it at night. So technically this range is designed more for people, you know, who have acne problems. So if you have acne problems, it's a very good range. Or if you just want to start using green tea, or if you have oily skin, for people with oily skin, this is a very good range because that's how the products are designed, you know. So green tea, by the way, they also have a moisturizer. So like I just talked about the night gel, right? It's something which you can use at night for hydrating your skin, for plumping up your skin. You actually wake up with much better looking skin. And in the morning, you can actually use a moisturizer which contains green tea. So green tea is something which also helps in dealing with sun related damage, with skin redness issues. So you can actually find the right mix of products to use, what works for you and what you need to use. In general, guys, I think there's a good range. I'll put the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. And I'm sure all of you must have tried steaming your face, right? Where you just take like a bowl of hot water and just hold your face above it to let the steam open up and clean your pores. Here's a very good twist to it. Next time you want to steam your face, just add a few green tea leaves to the water. Now this is really good because the steam opens up the pores and the green tea will clean up the pores really well. It will do so much of good to your skin. And after steaming your face, like always, make sure to close the pores using an ice cube. Sometimes when I'm making these ice cubes, I like to add a few drops of rose water to kind of just make it a little nicer. And this is something which you can do once in a while. It will instantly bring a glow to your face, guys, and you will love how clean and refreshed your skin is feeling. And last but not the least, when we're talking about green tea, how can we not talk about drinking green tea? Now, I understand that green tea is an acquired taste. For most people, they don't like green tea the first time they drink it, but try it for a few days, you will start liking it. And here's a very good way to make it nice. After you have prepared your green tea, you can add a few drops of stevia or honey to it. The reason why I'm talking about drinking green tea, like I just said, guys, green tea is very rich in antioxidants, and it is even said that the reason why Japanese people live the longest, they live really long, is because of green tea, because it can actually do so much of good to your body. And obviously when your body is healthy, your skin and your hair will be healthier. Green tea is fantastic. Start drinking it. So yes, guys, those are the few hacks, tips and tricks that I want to share with you all today. If you have any awesome tricks and tips up your sleeves, please don't forget to share them with me in the comment section below. And of course, guys, for all the products that I showed in today's video, I'll put the links in the description box below. They all are from Plum Goodness. It's a very good brand, guys. They actually share all the ingredient list very clearly, and it's a 100% vegan brand, so it's just a brand that I really want to support, and the products are good. Okay, so yes, I'll put all the links in the description box below if you want to check them out. And on that note, let me end today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit like to this video, subscribe to this channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Super Style for more. Thank you so much for watching. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye bye.